Good morning and welcome back to another day at Copperstate Classic Cars. I think it's going to be a good day. It's only 5:30 if that, but it's already, I don't know, 85, 90 degrees. It's going to be pretty hot today. So let's get started. It's very early this morning and we finished pretty late last night. Sorry about that. But we got the Mustang running. At least we got it to fire. And hopefully we'll finish it today. That's a plan at least. I need to get a few more parts because we broke the dipstick in the block, so I need to get a new dipstick, remove what's left of the old one in the block. There's a few more bits and pieces that we need to put together. Put some braking oil in it and get it to run for a little bit longer. Put some fluids as well. Properly. Arthur is going to work on the 59 DeSoto today, and we'll see what else we do. I think it's going to be a gorgeous day today. I love this sunrise. I'm not a morning person, but that makes it worth getting up early in the morning. I will see what today brings. See you in a bit at the shop. Man, it's hot in here. I'll get everything opened up so it cools off a little bit before everybody else arrives. There you go. Oh, and last time before we left we figured out that the fuel pump was actually what was wrong on my wife's car, so I need to get one on order today. Don't know of anyone who carries them in stock around here, so I'll get that on order today, and hopefully I'll be able to install that and get it running again tomorrow. For the rest, so we got this one started yesterday, like I was saying. There's a few things to finish. Let me try and get you some lights in here. There you go. So the dipstick is broken here. Don't know if you can see at the bottom there. So I need to get that out, and I'll order a new one. I know of a couple of companies here in town who must have them in stock. Oh, I've been told of a couple of companies here in town who must have them in stock, so I'll go and pick one up. And then we have a new set of belts coming in today early. That should be delivered here. We had problems with the ground yesterday, so that's why the jumper cables are here, but we'll put a ground cable from the engine to the frame, and once all of that is done, then we should be ready to get it started again. In the meantime, Arthur is going to work on this one. There's still a couple of things to do. First one is going to be to fix the window, the rear window on the other side here. But that's about it. This one is almost ready to go back out. I can't remember what else needed to be done on this one. I need to check in the paperwork, but I don't think there was much more than that. Man, it's hot in here. I don't want to run the evap coolers when I'm making video, because it makes a lot of noise and you get the wind noise as well on the videos. But yeah, I'll turn them on as soon as I'm done. We also need to replace the wheel cylinders on these ones on both sides. The other one is almost ready as well. It wasn't leaking though, only the right hand side. And while we are at it, as soon as this is done, we'll do the back ones. I'll check them, see if they need done. I'm still waiting on the machine shop for this engine. Hopefully I'll know something today or tomorrow. I really need to get cars moving in and out of here. And at some point, all these parts here, I mean, some of them are valuable, but they need to be sorted out. And what I want to do with all that is sell them progressively and keep the money to invest in new equipment for the shop. It's parts that we might need at some point, but I don't think that we're going to do a lot of big restoration jobs anytime soon, because it takes some deep pocket. And the main problem is that cars like these, for example, they stay in the shop for a long time and they take a lot of space and resources to get done. So for now, since I'm trying to turn this company over, I'd rather have quick jobs that I can get the cars in and out of the shop really fast. Like this one was perfect. Basically, it was delivered yesterday. Hopefully it'll be ready sometime today, and then send it back out. That's what I need right now. Then I want to reorganize all that, but that's going to take probably a week or two. I'm still just getting into the swing of things. So that's about it. I'm gonna get started on this one and yep, try and get this dipstick out, put the alternator in, connect everything or whatever's left, and yep, take it from there. Then I need to run in town for a few things, place a few orders, pick up a few parts, and hopefully we'll be good. Alright, let's get to work. But first I need to get me some water. Doing that with one hand is probably the best way of making a mess, but oh well. I go through a bunch of these bottles every day. Right now it's probably close to 100 degrees in the shop. It's like that every morning right now. That's why I like to come in early and get everything opened up before anyone arrives, so it has time to cool down before people start working. Alright, now let's get to work. First I'm gonna get that out of the way. I'll take care of that afterwards. Start on the dipstick here, then I'll need to put a ground cable from the engine somewhere to the frame here, because the ground cable here was getting hot yesterday and we were just cranking it to prime the engine and get it fired quickly, so that has to be done. Alright, let's get started. How am I gonna do that? Alright, it's 7:30 and that's already my second pot run today. I'm gonna go and get the dipstick that we broke, and what else do I need? The oh yeah, water inlet, because the one that was in Mustang was not in a good shape, so we're gonna replace that too.
Turn left.
I need to go get some tools as well, that we need to extract the rest of the dipstick from the engine block, and then I need to go gas up my truck because I'm gonna run out of gas pretty soon if I keep running like that. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, I just got my parts, I just got my tools, truck is gassed up, so I just need to stop at the bank quickly, and then I'll head back to the shop and take care of this dipstick, and hopefully we can restart this Mustang today and get it broken in and oil changed and everything else. See you back at the shop. Hey, it's next morning already, but I ran out of batteries yesterday, so here is where we are with the Mustang. I got the broken dipstick out yesterday. It gave me a good fight, but I got it out. Everything else got reconnected. The alternator is back in, all the belts and all the electrical connections. Now we put all the coolant in and there's a leak, so I need to take the air intake back out today, check how the seal was put in there, and probably reseal it and put it back in before we do anything else with it. Apart from that, it's pretty much ready to run, but I need that fixed. And since the coolant is gonna go into the engine and into the oil, I need to drain the oil, get new oil in there, and yeah, do that again. On the DeSoto side, this car is ready now. Everything was pretty straightforward on it. What took us the longest was fixing the rear window. The electrical motor was shot basically, so we took this door panel out and replace it. We had a few here in stock, so we just tested all of them until we got a good one and put it back in the car, tested it, and now everything works. So the customer is gonna come pick it up tomorrow, and yeah, that's about it. This car will be out the shop again. Now today I've got a new mechanic starting, so I'm probably gonna put him on the Mustang because I'm probably not gonna have much time to work on it today, and yeah, take it from there. Oh, and on my side I've been installing a new alarm system as well, because the old one went with the previous owner, so I'm still in the process of setting all that up, but it should be done today as well. After that, I still have a few things to set up for like basically business setup, or opening all the accounts and doing a bunch of paperwork and registering the company in the different entities and all of that. But that's nothing really interesting to share here, so I'll spare you that. For the rest, my focus now is on marketing, because I need to get more cars in here, and that might become interesting, so depending on how I do that, then I will share it here. Alright, time to get started. Alright, so this is the end of the second day for this video, and the Mustang is finally restarted and runs and idles. ran it for about 15 minutes to break the cam in. Yeah, it runs fine. It still needs a little bit of adjustment. Tomorrow morning we'll drop the oil again, check for if everything is okay, and after that we'll put the new oil in, new filter, check on the timing, and should be ready to go, close to it. It's a pretty neat little car, and to be honest, it feels really nice to be able to start it again and to hear it after a few days working on it. And it starts pretty well and it sounds really good. Even idles. Hear that? Sounds really cool. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that, and now I'm just gonna tidy up a little bit everything, pull all the other cars inside, and I'll probably call it a night for today, because I've been working probably 17 to 20 hours for the past week, and I want to spend some time with the family. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, don't forget to consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy the content that I'm putting out, and yeah, see you soon. Thanks for watching.